Hi guys, Zach with Proline Range Hoods here today, and we are unboxing our PLJW 104 wall range hood. We're gonna take everything out of the box that it comes with and prep it for installation. You guys can follow along. We've gone ahead and removed everything from the packaging itself. So we obviously have our range hood that comes inside the box. We have a separate box for the manual transition piece and hardware necessary for installing the range hood. We also have our stainless steel baffle filters that will come inside of their own box as well. And then the mounting bracket that you guys will need during installation. Now, depending on the size of the range hood that you guys get, some of our larger sizes will include a separate box for your chimney, but yours might just be inside of the original box. Now I've set everything else aside for now so we can focus on the range hood. If we take a look inside, we're gonna see our dual 1200 CFM blowers housed inside of our 430 stainless steel. Now we do have a premium 304 stainless steel available also if that's what you guys want to select. Now we've taken out our stainless steel baffle filters as well as grease tray from their separate box, and we're gonna show you how to install those. First off, we just need to take the grease tray and put that in first. It's very easy, just nice and flush. It has a little lip at the top that you guys can make kind of pinch into place. And once you've done that, it's gonna sit nice and easy. Now that we have the grease tray installed, we can install the stainless steel baffle filters. Now make sure you guys aren't installing these until your range hood is already hung. But just to kind of give you an example, we're gonna do the same thing as we did with the grease tray. We'll come down inside the range hood and then go up into the slot that it's made for and bring it back into place and set it down. Now we can install both of those and get them fit perfectly. Now, if we take a look at the control panel, this is where we'll be able to control everything on the range hood. So we have a power switch down here to turn it on and off. And then we also have 4 different dimmable halogen lights located on the top and the bottom of the range hood. Now this center knob here, we can twist it and dim the lights on and off for whatever cooking environment you're in. Maybe you need a little more light, a little less. These things last a lifetime and they're very easy to replace if you need to. Now, if we take a look at the 2 outside knobs, these are gonna be for controlling the dual blower inside of the range hood. So we can turn one on each side, and there are 4 different speed options. So you guys can individually control those, giving you maximum control over your range hood, whether it's the most powerful and high setting that we offer, all the way down to our lowest and most quiet. So there you guys have it. That's going to be our PLJW 104 wall range hood. Now again, today we are looking at the 36-inch model, but we do go all the way up to 60 inches on this one. So whatever size you guys need in your home, Proline Range Hoods has it. We also have the 430 stainless steel here, but we do offer that 304 premium stainless steel on our website when you guys are selecting your range hood. So if you have any other further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. We thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.